one of y'all could just stand by for the tow. I'm just needing to pull down the nuts so I can do the inventory. Yeah.
Looks terrible. I gotta watch this thing.
And also several pieces of damage to your fence.
Well, he also took out my electric. That's my electric fence. Opened up electric gates. He took that out, and the whole other side.
So your mechanical fence?
Yeah, well, it was.
I just want to document it, all right?
Batteries laying on the other side.
Oh, there you go. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm sorry I don't have the head mount on. I didn't have enough time to throw it on or whatever, and I wear it with a hat. I feel like I'd look pretty goofy wearing a hat in the middle of the damn night. There we go.
Very quick.
Right? There we go. Got it that time. Sir?
I got you.
Yeah. Almost. Alright, now the fun part is getting out of here.
Well, I mean, I don't know if you could drive around, like
Around
swing
that
it.
tree.
You need me to move my truck up, or you think?
I might could clear it actually.
All right, we'll make sure it's getting open up for you.
Alright, yes sir. Yeah, right? I appreciate it, man. You have a good rest of your night. Happy 4th of July.
Thank you, sir.
You good with me? Oh, he's on the phone. Yeah, we've been off the chain tonight, 4th of July. Thank y'all for watching. If you liked the video, you know, leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch y'all on the next one.